Have you ever started at a ball of yarn and wondered if you could become something magical? We have all seen the standard crochet bunny. It's cute, it's classic, but today we are stepping far outside the basic single crochet box. I have gathered some of the most breathtaking, unique amigurumi bunny designs from creators around the world to spark your next project. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'm going to show you a design style that completely flips the traditional rule of amigurumi on their head literally. Grab your favorite cup of tea, pull up your yarn stash, and let's get inspired. Let's start with the aesthetic that has taken the crafting community by storm. Category vintage charm. Instead of bright, saturated acrylics, these designs rely heavily on muted earthy tones. Think sage greens, dusty roses, oatmeals, and terracotta. What makes these bunnies truly stand out isn't just the stitches work, but the story they tell. Look at how a simple addition like a tiny pair of overall or a delicate floral crowns crochet around the ears give these toys a soul. You can use laced weight yarn for a miniature clothing or even mix medium by using scrap of linen or caroline fabric for ear lining. If you want to make a bunny that feels like a family heirloom and handed down through generations, this is your sign to experiment with embroidery details like tiny stitch nose, lining, and rosy cheeks. If you haven't tried crocheting with Chanel, blanket, or bushel yarn, these designs be your invention. Use super bulky yarn. Completely transform the scaling of your pattern. A pattern that normally yields a 3-inch keychain suddenly become a massive huggable plushie perfect for a nursery. But if you find Chanel too tricky to work with, look at the clever alternative, brushed acrylic. By taking a standard wire pet brush to a finished acrylic bunny, you can gently brush out the fiber to create a hollow of soft, realistic fur. It makes your stitches completely leaving behind a seamless, cloud-like finish. Now let's shrink things down. This is an undeniable magic to miniature amigurumi. These tiny pocket-sized bunnies are the perfect way to use up your scrap yarn. Work with embroidery floss or lace thread can be challenging for your eyes and your patience, but the results are absolutely mesmerizing. Notice how the designs rely on some clean lines. When you are working with this small average stitch count, instead of plastic safety eyes, a simple French knot or a single seed bead creates an incredibly sweet minimalism expression. Imagine gifting one of these hidden inside a decorated walnut shell or hanging from a backpack isn't just a tiny pocket of joy. As promised, let's look at a design style that defines the traditional rule, symmetrical and weighted physics. Typically, we want